Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it. Monday, Monday, Monday. So I guess we now have a deal. They're going to have the official signing, I guess, on Friday. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh, friendly reminder too, I did send out an email last night. Somebody's out there trying to impersonate me saying I got a private group, yada, yada, yada. If you ever get an email about a private group, it's not real. If I ever had any type of private group, it would most certainly be announced on the stream or in a video or something like that, which I have no plans to do anything like that. And I don't have any people working for me. How would I have an HR department being a one-man show? Oh man, these people. Then the funny part, I woke up this morning to this email. Now, let me block out the person's name. Person says, maybe not send an email with scam alert and emoji as a subject line in the future. Not so nice to open the inbox and see this before you figure out what it's about. I unsubscribe. Bye. All right. See you later. See you later. Bye-bye. Adios. I tried to help people out. Hey, Elijah. Elijah, you should have an email from me. You're one of the winners. I've been waiting to get your information back. You won a TPT account from one of last week's videos. I pulled them on Friday or Saturday. I can't remember. I sent you an email. I'm just waiting to get yours back. I do plan to do a Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. So Elijah, if you can check your email, maybe it went to your spam or something. I'm not sure. It was you and I think Repeat or Peter S or that one. I already got Peter's back. Hey Raj, good morning. Yeah, I don't know. Like I was trying to help the guy out, so there was like 2 or 3 of you guys that emailed me and said, "Hey Mike, did you send me an email?" I was like, "No." About a private group, about this. Yeah, definitely not me. The feet pics. Hey Sean, good morning. Hey, and always check the email. If somebody says the email is from me, it'll be the same come from the same email address that when you sign up to the email list that I email you from there. It's not going to be any something Gmail. So let's see. So yeah, quite the move last night. Trump signs a deal or says we have a deal. We have agreed to a deal. Markets go berserk. Look at the Nikkei last night, up 3,200 points. HSI though, HSI only up 124. We have the DAX up 316 points. The CAC is up only 14. So, hey, White Boy, what's up? What's up? Good morning. So we shall see. Let me get this started. Yeah, good looking out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button, guys and gals, if you haven't yet. We're going to see how we're going to have to navigate these markets this morning. Let's go ahead and look at the news. Any news out this morning? We have Empire State Manufacturing Index at 8:30. Should be low impact. 9:15 capacity utilization rate. Industrial production. Yeah, maybe 10 o'clock the NAHB housing market. It says low impact, but I can see that moving the markets here a little bit. Yeah, they can. That's why I also put in that email. You're only going to see from one YouTube channel, basically, or my X account. I'm never going to ask anybody for money. So if you ever get an email saying, hey, come invest with me, come do that, that's not going to be me. It's not me. Hey, J Loves, what's up? Good morning. Oh, you just replied back? Oh, all right, perfect. Hey, so after we do the giveaway today, Elijah Fade, I'm going to send Tape Off a Trader all 3 emails at the same time. So we got to check. Yeah. So we'll be good. Perfect. What if Walsh cuts rates? You know, that could really get things spicy out there. I just don't see how they can do it with inflation where it is. Maybe that's why Trump was trying to get the deal done so bad. If we get the deal done, they can't say oil no more because oil's just going to be flowing like it's never flown before. So Warsh, come on, buddy. I got you in that job. You got to do me a solid. You got to cut rates. I mean, that's a possibility. That could be why Trump was so hurry up. We got to get a deal. We got to get a deal. But yeah, odds. Me and the small prince don't need the money. Help younger people buy houses. Well, you gotta get this inflation thing under control first. I already rolled over to the September contract. Let's actually go look at that real quick. The levels I gave out over the weekend in Sunday's video were also of the current contract, the September contract. If you look on the CME has rolled over on the U contract, which is September. So let's go look at the volumes real quick. We go ahead and we look at quotes. The ES, you can see the September contract just barely eked out a little bit more volume than the June contract. Okay, what about the NASDAQ? Usually NASDAQ takes a little bit longer. I'm suspecting they're close, but let's see if it actually eked it out. Oh no, September does have more volume. So both contracts already have more volume on the September contract. So that's good to know. Yeah, it is true. More people make more money now. Let's see. Look at the volatility index down 5.77, all the way back down to 16.62. And let's see this. Okay, I'm just trying to get this all fixed up. I had to roll over my Bookmap. I keep forgetting to save it. That's kind of irritating. So let me get that fixed. There we go. There's we go. See, bulls, yeah, bulls have definitely been in control all night long. No pullbacks allowed whatsoever. If we look at the NQ real quick. Look last night, gap up, whoop. And now we're just kind of flat line. We're still angling up, but look at the MACD indicator. All right, this could be something you want to pay attention to. If it gets down towards the 0 line and we're still up here, watch out. Probably gonna be another leg higher. You doubt Barron even trades? Yeah, he probably has somebody trade for him. Go buy a bunch of oil. Go sell a bunch of oil. My dad's about to announce the deal here in a little bit, so let's go ahead and get it. I mean, you don't have to have any skill set. Oh, Eric, I already rolled it over on from the June contract, but Thursday will be the last day. Friday's gonna be triple witching. Oh no, it might be Thursday. Hey, because Friday, I don't know how they're gonna handle that actually. Friday's a holiday. We got Juneteenth on Friday. Huh. No, I have no control over what ads come across. Hey, YouTube throws you the ad that thinks it's something you would want to watch or something you need. I have no control over that whatsoever. It depends. I think TPT has the better payout policy. Lucid's a little bit cheaper and a one-time payment. They're both great accounts. You can't go wrong with either of them, but yeah, BK, I just put a micro trade on right before I started the stream. Actually on the M&Q. I'm not so sure how it's going to go. And because of that, I only put one micro on right here. I did it right before the stream. So right up in this area right here, I put it on. But I only put one on because if you look, we are pretty darn far. I don't want to say pretty, but we're going to look at NQ real quick. Let's go take a look at the VWAP. Look, last interaction we had was the first, oh no, right here. Right here. Right about 7:55, 8 o'clock, somewhere in that ballpark. Since then, we have not come back and tested it. No, hey, Take Profit Trader is a monthly subscription. So if you do pass within a month, then yes, Take Profit Trader would be a one-time payment. But if it takes you longer than a month to fail or pass, then yes, there would be a monthly recurring fee until you cancel the account. Now, you can cancel at any time. But, you know, the truth is, it just takes a little bit of pressure off of you. Not having to worry about, oh, I got to hurry and pass before my next bill date. But the reality is, almost everybody, including myself, we're either going to fail or we're going to pass within those 30 days. It's just what happens. We get greedy. Oh, I got to hurry and pass. Boom. Either blow it up or you pass. So it's not really that big of a deal, but it is something that can ease your mind a little bit. Not having to worry about, market's not really moving. I don't have to trade. So, yeah, who takes more than a month? I don't think anybody does. I wouldn't say anybody, but I would say the large majority, we're going to either blow them up or we're going to pass them within a month. Yeah, full port. Oh, hey, Jose, I agree with that. Hey, Holy Earth, good morning. Hey, I do agree with that. If you're close, instead of yellowing it, just pay for the rebill and, you know, you just keep doing what you're doing. So, what do we got on the juice? The U.S. will commit itself to give Iran access to its frozen funds. U.S. will not give Tehran any money. Huh? Iran says the U.S. will commit itself to give Iran access to its frozen funds. U.S. will not give Tehran any money. Okay. Regional visits are on the agenda before the signing of the agreement with the U.S. and Switzerland. Respecting the sovereignty and territory integrity of Lebanon is part of the interim agreement with the U.S. I don't know how you can tell Israel that if they're being attacked by Hezbollah, they can't go on the offensive. But we'll see. I'm just reading through all this. Just yeah, they're not bound by that agreement. Yeah, I saw that. Saw that last night. We have the NASDAQ getting ready to push on up. Let's look at this on the 4 hour real quick. We're still pretty far from all-time high. Raj says ground invasion will happen in fall. So Raj, you're not buying it? We're not going to hold hands, sing kumbaya, and everything is fine? What? What? But they're gonna sign a peace deal. Yeah, hey Raj, I was thinking that too. How they gonna implement the checks? That's something I was thinking about as well. I don't know how that's gonna work out. Because if you remember last time we had a very similar issue, right? When Obama had his deal and we're gonna be allowed to go in and inspect the facilities, and then there was a bunch of games being played, I guess. Huh. Hey, that's actually pretty smart. I didn't even think about that angle. Trying to get Iran to expose where everything is. That's an interesting angle there. Yeah, have to do it after the elections. Yeah, I know. Iran could hide. I mean, you could hide whatever. They control the whole country, so you would think it'd be pretty simple to hide things. You would think. I don't know. Yeah, hey, Raj, that's what I was thinking too. Because they've been after a weapon for so long. I just don't see them gonna stop. Why is Iran the bad guy? I didn't say they were the bad guy. Just said that I don't know if they're gonna hold up to the deal. So, all right, you got a little push down. Let's see this micro start getting in the green here. Let's talk about targets on my micro I have. So you see we have a large gap from last night. I don't know that we're gonna come down there and fill that today. But look at this volume profile. One of the areas I do kind of like. Get everybody thinking, oh, we're gonna go down and fill the gap. Maybe we just come down towards this zone right here. 424 to about 389. Bankroll terrace. So this is kind of the area I do like. Now that would be over a 100-point trade if indeed we do make it down there. Hear a little bit of selling here at the moment. So a little micro trade did get in the green at the moment. We'll see if we can stay in the green though. We have long ways towards target. And I do want to watch this. If we do go up more and take out the highs, I will be looking to add to this. Only got one on so far. Hey, repeat. Hey, I'm a big believer of that. If somebody shows you who they are, believe them. Something I learned very early on in life. Hey, Johan, good morning. So you see they're trying to get the regression channel a slight slope downward. Very, very subtle. We did come into being oversold in the short term right here. Hey, Diego, what's up? What's up? Yeah, never trust a pet shark. Why did you bite me? I'm a shark. That's what sharks do. Also leadership to negotiations. All right, let's see. Do I dare tempt it? Think about taking a little scalpy scalp. I'd like to see at least one blue candle or so to break up this down move. So we're gonna get pushed back down to a low. If trade one's gonna be a stop out, we'll see. Let's see. So we can go back and run this wick. We got quite a bit of delta down there on the 1 minute chart. So if we can go back down and revisit that zone. Ideally, I'd like to see it break, but UFC setup last night was amazing. Yeah, I told Dork I traded last night. I don't have any open trades from last night. I have a micro trade I put on right before the stream. Ooh. We started going down, but we did not continue down. That might be a problem for me. Yeah, I'm closing it. Closing it. Here's a micro trade I still have on. Put it on right over here, right before the stream. So. They scared me out of that trade I got out. If this joker goes up now, that's going to upset me, but whatever. I would not have been stopped out of that trade either. That's funny. I'll give it another shot. I mean, the good news is when I trade I stopped myself out of, I didn't take the full loss on it. Fan says the two-step verification process or something. The deal gives U.S. enforcement over Iran's nuclear program. But if you don't know they have it, we'll see if they can implement that or not. Come on, just push down a little bit more. So I was right on that initial trade. I stopped myself out prematurely. We're getting pretty close to this wick down here I was looking for. So I close it. So 1 win, 1 loss. I think I got slipped on that exit too. Yeah, I come close to VWAP. That's what I'm thinking too, Raj. That's why I put that micro on before the stream. Yeah, minimum we should come down towards VWAP. Look, the more times we come down here, the more likely this is going to break. Huh. Hey, Carl, what's up? Good morning. If you got something yet, don't forget to smash that looky like button. I do truly appreciate it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. There's a lot of details still to sort out. We expect the share moves to be open toll free long term. And what you expect and what happens, maybe two different things. I don't understand how you're going to let Iran and Oman control the straits of international waters. How are they going to control international waters? So I don't know. Can you get the load properly on MYM? Hey, Boss Dog, do you put MYM 09-26? No, hey, the VIX, I don't think the VIX on Friday was 10%. Let's go back and verify that. I don't believe it was. Let's go looky. So Friday's close or Thursday's close. The close, yeah, we're only down 9%. But the Thursday VIX close did imply that either Friday or Monday would be a down day. Today's not looking like a down day at the moment. Yeah, Wednesday should be a big move. We get to see what Walsh, can he influence the markets like Powell did? Is he going to give us volatility? I will be streaming the Fed on Wednesdays. Hopefully, guys come and join me. So, let's see yields. Yields should be coming down. Let's go look. A little bit. They get a 9 count right down here. A little bit of delta divergence too as we came back down. Look, here's the delta way down here. Second attempt. Not nearly the delta we had. Fed's got room 1 of 4 days this week. Come on, let's get it. Bias is to the downside. So the regression channel sloping downward. We are slightly below the overnight or the developing point of control here at the moment. Should be 578, just barely below it. I might take one more scalp. Maybe. $60 to $70 oil again. We're not that far away. We're at $80 right now. Another 10-point drop. I can see that. If indeed, we do get to the signing and everything is upheld, we can see oil start to come down pretty quickly. Let's double check this. So we have 4 minutes until the Empire State Manufacturing comes out. Shouldn't be a big market moving event, but the one drop at the open. That'd be nice. Oh, see if it looks right to me. Yeah, give me a second. Let's let me see. Oops. Duplicate new window. MYM09 dash. Oh, hey, boss dog, it's because you didn't roll over. The contract rollover is going to be jacked up on you. That's why. I know how to fix that though. Hey, because you probably see this, right? Like that. Yeah, I'll show you how to fix that. I have a video about that actually. That way I don't have to do it on the fly. Let's see. It's really short, but you're at to modify the I wonder if it's on the other channel. Let's see. Ooh, I didn't hit the like button yet either. Let me do that real quick. Hey, DJ, good morning. All right, perfect. Let me see. Oh yeah, it was on the other channel. It just doesn't look right though. Oh yeah, hey, this one's it. Here, it was on the second channel, Boss Dog. Hey, check out that video right there. I'll show you how to do it. You have to go in there and change the rollover date. And then hit rollover and then it'll work. Because my Dow chart still says it had 3 days left before rollover. So let's see. It looks like we didn't get much news or much movement off of this Empire State Manufacturing. It still says pending, but it told us ahead of time, low impact. Came at 5.7, previously 13.2, previously 19.6, and I expected 13.2. So, yeah, but hey, Rick, so the Dow did not prompt me. The ES, NASDAQ, and Russell all did, but the Dow still said I had 3 more days left. So mine does automatically say it, but the Dow is like 3 days behind for whatever reason. Hey, you never had the Dow open? All right, look, trying to push this up here a little bit. Let's see. Regression channel is still sloping downward. So even if we do pop up, I'm still favoring sell side at the moment. Hezbollah says we'll defend our people until Israel withdraws. Yeah, I put one micro on right before the stream. Right here, it's up 13 bucks, 12 bucks. And on that, I'm trying to target all the way down here at this zone. Now, I don't think we're gonna come down towards that gap, but if we do, I'm good with that too. 425-ish to about 393. So I'll be pretty happy with that if we make it. If we can make it there, I'll be very, very happy. Very happy. Can we get it? $554 is where you're targeting. Yeah, I can see that as a logical target. I'm actually debating on if I want to take a sell side again. I'm about ready to jump. About ready to think about it. Think about what you think about. You up at 492? Yeah, view up at 492. Yeah. Now keep in mind, VWAP can catch up the price. Price can go down the VWAP, or they can kind of meet in the middle. We gotta be careful with that. Especially the market's riding high on the news. We've got a deal. Hey, yet we don't know what all is in that deal. How ironic. Why is it we don't know what's in the deal? Is it because it's not a good deal, or us mere little peasants don't need to know, or they don't even know themselves? Hey, but don't worry about it. It's going to be the greatest deal ever. You sucker. Did you get a trade detector bubble right down here? Dang it. I was on the verge of shorting that too. Yeah, Trump wants out, wants to hold the cards. And I'm a little upset with that. I missed it. I was watching it, and didn't take it. Hey, Tomic, you're about to get your target. There are days where it never goes back to VWAP. That's a fact. but a majority of days we do get a retest of VWAP, especially when you look at how much, time away from VWAP. How long have we been away? Right now, we've been away from VWAP for at least 12 hours. Now, if we can stay below that bubble, maybe we have a shot. Maybe. It's so bad I want to short. I just can't push the button yet. In fact, as soon as I push the button, they're just going to rip it on me. Did you get Phil Atomic? Oh, there you go. You should be good now. The micro trade's up 60 now. Oh, yeah, that's a good idea, Boss Dog. That's actually a great idea. Actually, probably what I'm going to do is I'm going to remake that video. Are we sick of winning for all the great deals? I mean, winning never gets old. All right, we're at the lower regression channel right here. Can I get that angle a little bit steeper? At least 42 times. At least. At least. Hopefully they don't do me dirty on this. I'm shorting down here at the lower regression channel, asking for problems. Closed it. Closed it. I knew I was playing with fire on that. Should have waited for the little bouncy bounce. Next target's 530. Has a trapdoor decline tomorrow. Let's get it, KD. Your model said bullish on Friday, and bullish we were. See if we can go down there and take out the low again. Get a little bit of pullback before this opening bell, and we just go ahead and rip. And the VWAP is still substantially lower, 492-ish at the moment. Great deal for Iran, horrible deal for the U.S. We don't even know what's in the deal yet, which I'm not really a fan of that. Hey, we've got a deal. We're still working out all the details, so we don't really know what's in it. But, hey, it's going to be a great deal. Not really a fan of that, gotta be honest. Come on, push on down. Push it. Push it. Push it. Please. We have a plan for a plan. Our deal is we're going to have talks. That's our great deal. Top near July 4th. Oh, I just got out. Just got out. So hopefully it goes up higher now. I want to go ahead and change this real quick. So I'm down so far in pre-market. My finger twitched on the close button and I closed it. Did not want to do that, but I'm not upset. Hopefully it goes up higher now. That way I feel good. I didn't take the full stop loss. My finger just twitched on the close button. All right, let me go ahead and adjust this. Get them all situated. I think I'm a little bit off this morning. We're still going up here a little bit. Right now, I see NASDAQ's up 613 points. So, nothing new in the deal. I mean, we still got to get to the signing. You know, we haven't made it there yet. We haven't had the official sign. We've agreed on we're going to sign the deal, but we haven't seen anybody ink it yet. Yeah. Hey, Grant, I don't know if everybody wins in that scenario, but all right, so I'm glad that my finger twitched on that close button because that would have been a full loss for me. Yeah, ES trying to break back to the upside. Still got the regression channel sloping down, so I don't mind still taking shorts, but yeah, opening, we got 20 minutes, roughly 19 minutes till the 9 o'clock. Nice round at bottom. Yeah. We'll see if we get the lift up and out. All right, we do have a little FEG up here on the NASDAQ. We came right down to this FEG here, bouncing. $583, good long target. Come right back to upper regression channel right here. We'll see if they can turn that regression channel or flatten it out and start turning it back up, or do we reject from there? Think about it, the market is riding high on the deal, so unless somehow the deal falls apart today, I don't know. I don't think we had the catalyst to undo this move from last night. Hey, Fight Night, what's up? Good morning. Perfect. Nice. Yeah, money being given is Iran's money. Just recovering from last night, late night UFC bout. I'm doing good, Fight Night. Not too shabby. Only one solution, ground troops. Roger's like, F the deal. We's going in. Yeah, Trump on the way to G7. Yeah. Hey, so when do the trades actually reopen? We saw oil at $80 right now, $80.07. Thought about shortening it up here at the upper channel. I was like, what if we keep going up? So I second guessed it. And I was looking at the moving averages. They were still pretty bullishly crossed. I was like, it should wait. And of course, we go right back down. That would have got back what I lost in that last one. Got humbled. The market will humble us really quick. You sucker. You joker. God, dog it. Yeah, signed on Friday. Keep in mind, Friday is Juneteenth. So the markets will be closed early. So we're going to be forced to be done early. You sucker. You mother sucker. Market so unkind. Yeah, it is, Paul. No doubt. New York session is diabolical. It can be pretty brutal sometimes. Now the ES VWAP we have at 75.83. We're trading at 75.89. Yeah, I'm still gonna stream at least in the morning. Well, I mean, at least till 12. Actually, let's go look up and see actually officially. When is the CME holiday hours? CME. I trade every day the market's open. So let's go looky. CME. Let's just see. What are the hours? Okay, Juneteenth. Equities. Wednesday they close. Open normal time. Yeah, Friday they're going to close. It says 12 o'clock. This is Central Time, so it'll be 1 p.m. Eastern Time. They will be done. Done. So I'll probably stream to at least 12 o'clock. So given the fact that it's Friday and a holiday, it's probably going to be very lightly traded. So where's this VIX at? You got a green candle on the VIX. Yeah, so hey, Ball Stock. So the stock market will be closed, but the futures markets, we get the ability to trade here a little bit. No, I couldn't trade on the plane. I traveled on Saturdays, and that was intentional. I don't want to travel when the market's open because I will be trading. So that was intentional on the days I traveled. Hey, Brad, Friday's a holiday. Juneteenth is Friday. So we're getting a little lift right back up. Now we are right back to the upper regression channel again. Last time we were up here, I regretted that. Not taking a swing at it. I don't know I'm going to take a swing right here either. It sounds like adrenaline junkies. Well, hey, so I'm still trying to get all my footage off of the 360 camera. I got one of it where I'm climbing this tree. Climbing way on up there. I wonder if I can pull this up too. Let me see. I got one video that it automatically selected. It was like a 24-minute clip. Pause it. Oh, that's when I fell. Pause. Dang it. See, there was a little clip of it anyways. And it's funny. I don't know if you guys can see, but the little orange thing in my hand. We put a pool noodle on the selfie stick. First time I ever e-foil. That was me on the e-foil, which was pretty neat. I might end up getting one. Really been looking into it. I might end up buying one. I think. Just trying to figure out, do all the research, see which one I want. But I think I might end up getting one. That was a pretty fun time. Yeah, I could have held your position since last night. Yeah, no doubt about it. So all I had to do is buy the gap and let it rip. Iran, the U.S. committed not to impose any new sanctions. No new sanctions. Is that ever or what? I don't know. We'll see. All right, we are up here at the upper regression channel. I don't know if I want to short this yet. I'll wait and see if this Renko chart has any signs of weakness to it first. Yeah, I changed over to the U contract. I figured that'd be a pretty hot topic today. So if you look at the volumes, all right, here's the NASDAQ. Let me refresh it real quick, get up to date. But you can see the September contract, the U contract, already has 92,000 contracts. The other contract only has 65,000. So, yeah, it made sense. Made sense to go ahead and roll it on over. So, all right, I went ahead and shorted the NASDAQ again real quick. See if we can get a little push down. A little bit more on the aggressive side, but I don't know how I feel about this. So far, pre-market has not been kind to me. Yeah, as long as Iran follows the agreement. We'll see if they do or not. Maybe they will. Maybe they won't. Time will tell. I don't like the fact that we're not coming down here. I want to see us break that 200 EMA right here. We can break it, a quick little squeeze down. It's not what I want to see. Not what I want to see, Mr. Market. Your little lady's got to be tired. We get on the ES. We have the VWAP down here at 83. There we go. Let's get a little bit more. A little bit more. Let's get it. I hope I don't regret this. Saw 140 on the board. I didn't take it. See if we can get a little bit more here. Got some bear on SPCX, which I want to see how SpaceX is doing this morning. Elon, first trillionaire ever. It's craziness. $1 trillion. Golly. A lot of money. Come on down a little bit more. I should have took it when it was down there. I might regret it. Hopefully not, though. 1 billion and 1 trillion. I mean, think about it. That'd be hard to spend $1 trillion. That'd be awful hard. Oh, the Renko bars. Here, I'll have Nightbot drop a link for that. I'll click on the link once I'm out of this trade and show you which ones I actually use. I use a free version of it. I'm going to close and take it. I don't trust it. Get back some what I lost on the previous trade, which I'm still down for the pre-market. I am currently in the red. Let's look at SpaceX real quick. SPCX. SpaceX and pre-market's up at 170. So it's up 6.18% here at the moment. That's probably good that I got out of that. Wish I would have got closer towards the low, but hey, Frank, good morning. And a good thing I did get out of that. That would have watched the win turn into a loss, I guess. At least I got something out of it. We'll see. What I want to watch is, does this regression channel start to flatten out here a bit? Do they flip it back up and try to run right back up here towards the session highs? Probably. Oil's still above 80 right now, 80.30. Hey, if you put $1 trillion in a trading account, that'd be a whole lot of drawdown. You probably control a good chunk of the markets. Every NFL, NHL, MLB, NBA, and pro soccer team, and still have 400 billion left over. Oh man, that's funny. Golly, that's a lot of money. Yeah, full port it. Oh boy. From 1 trillion to going on food stamps. How I did it. My life. So launching a SpaceX brought me to the pinnacle where I had the most amount of money ever. Then I did like every sound person would do with their money. I invested it, full ported on one idea, and I was wrong. Oh man. Yeah, Nightbot put a link out there for the Renko, or at least it should have. Let's go check Nightbot. I was in a trade. Let's see. Nightbot should post the link right there. That link right there, Nightbot post. If we go look, I'll show you the one that I use. If you scroll down here on that page, right there where it says free, this is the one that I have downloaded for the Renko bars. Oops. Like, I have no affiliation with them. I just use their product. So it's free, priced at $0. So if you guys want to check it out, check it out. Yeah, any bank gives him a loan. Then he doesn't have to pay interest on the money he earned. So 2 minutes till 9 a.m. Now, I am still highly interested in this target down here. All right, again, that's going to come from the minus development area off the developing volume profile. So 423, 425-ish, all the way down to about 392 is going to be the zone. So we trade below 554. I get more excited about coming down here. We look at the overnight volume profile level, 618.25 will be value area high. As long as we stay below that, point of control becomes a target. 554 and a quarter below that, 458.75. But we get below 458 and we start coming back up, we can play that same rotation all the way back up. So now I am curious. Come over, look at the 4-hour chart. Here's the gap last night. So look, we've already had a pretty good move off the low, and then bing, big gap up again. You can see we do have an untested point of control up here. And look, we did get, so that rule about closing outside of value did come into play. 30,502. We didn't do it last week, but we sure did get it this week. What about the ES? The ES, get it yet? Yeah, not yet. So right around 09.5. What has been the high on the ES so far? 02.25. We've almost got it on the ES as well. Not yet though. So we shall see. Now, if we do look at the 30-minute volume profile on the ES, see big gap up last night, a lot of volume being built out up here. This consolidation, you see the profile starting to be built out. We have the P point way down here, which I don't think we hit the P point. Yeah, Friday we didn't hit the P point. Not really looking like we're gonna hit the P point today either. 74.97 will be the point of control. So keep that in the back of your minds. Which that's the point of control from Friday. I don't see us coming down there and getting that today. If we do, that'd be pretty amazing. That'll probably make for a great trading day if we can make it all the way down there. I don't got that warm fuzzies that we're going to make it down there. Now, clearly we're above Friday's value area high. So we need to come over and take a look at the overnight volume profile levels real quick. Yeah, Asian Rocks already rolled over the contracts. I'm on September contract. But again, for those of you that were not already on here, you can see that we do have more volume in the September contract versus June. So to reduce slippage, you want to trade the contract with the most amount of volume. So now we look at the overnight. Value high will be 7,600.75. The point of control is going to be here at 7,590.75. Value low will be 7,572.75. Now on the ES, I kind of like this area right there. Right about 67. So we're trading below the point of control. I then want to start the target 72 and then right down here to about 67. And things get really crazy this morning. Maybe we come down towards gap support, but I don't know. I'm in that camp just yet. We'll see. We will see. We're already trying to get a little turn right here from the upper regression channel on the NASDAQ. Let's see. Can we get it? Can we get the turn on down, or are we just going to rip back up? Went ahead and took a swing at that real quick. We're going to see if I'm going to, I'm already up. See how this is going to work out for me or not work out. I had one trade on each contract last night. Nice. Hey, Jesse, so you had a good night last night? I take it. Made it pretty easy. You knew about the deal before the markets open. So everybody had a pretty good idea. We're probably going to get a gap up. And boy, did we. Hoping to catch a rocket at the open and pass 5 evals. Nice. Nice. Come on down. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Center regression channel's at 90. Let's say yes. Crap. We had a trade detector bubble. I was looking at the wrong chart. When I was looking over here, I thought that was the NASDAQ chart. That's the reason why I took the trade. I got to get back on it. Hey, Emerald Green Waves. Good morning. We do have a trade detector sell bubble right there. See if they can push it down. Center regression's at 561. If we can make 561, I'd be pretty happy with that. Wasn't on your bingo card? Come on, just push it down, please. Yeah, I'm on the September contract. It's a contract that has the most amount of volume at this time. You're not gonna go up there and get me. All right, trade like crap in pre-market. I don't think I'm gonna take any more trades until the market opens. This might be a problem for me this morning because if we look at the VWAP, let's do a VWAP check across the board. So if we look at the NQ, VWAP, we haven't touched it since right around 8 o'clock last night. So it's been over 12 hours, actually 13 hours since we've had a touch. Look at the ES. ES has not touched the VWAP since the same time last night, right around 13 hours. What about YM? YM has touched it right here, so it's not as big of a deal. And Russell has been touching it as well. Russell looking a little bit weak here. Hey, Paul, what's up? Good morning. Oh, I use the current. TF, I'm using the current. So in the past, I used to use the prior day open, high, low, close. And I had a rule anytime we broke above the high, if we came back down below it, I could no longer look to be long. I haven't done that in a long time. I haven't done that in a hot minute. I do want to go look at the gamma levels real quick. What do we have? Fucker's gonna come down. I know it is. I so bad want to swing at it. Swing. Every trade I don't take is gonna work out. Let's see. I do think we have a swing here. I know so I wasn't going to trade just a second ago, but here we go. Let's get one more shot. This will be it. Oh, man. Let's see if they're going to make me regret this. Yeah, I used to like the prior high, open, high, low, close. Because if I was looking to be long the market, if we got above the prior day's high, we could not hold it. Well, I don't need to be looking for longs. That's a clear sign of weakness. And that rule did me good for many years. Same thing about the bottom. We broke the low. I want to be on the sell side and we start coming back above it. I can no longer look for shorts. I forget why I quit doing that. I don't really remember. I did that for several years. I just don't understand. Why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? How long do we got? Well, we still got 13. I forgot to do the poll. Dang it. This is going to be hard. I'm trying to watch my trade and type. Closing it. All right. I'm doing a pretty good job of unwinding my gains from last night. All right. So will we get a pop or drop at the open? We're going to be looking at the first 1 minute candle. Will it be a pop or a drop? At least I closed it out early. It did go higher. Oh, that's why I didn't see. Oh, fine. Maybe I seen that out of the corner of my eye. Or maybe I even read it. I don't know. I was in the middle of a trade, so. Hey, Elevated Life. Good morning. But hey, thanks for the reminder either way. Yeah, had a pretty good pop last night. Juicing the markets on up. Yeah, good thing I got out. Vote fast, vote often. Smash that lucky like button if you guys haven't yet. The winners of the Take Profit Trader accounts from last week, I'm going to email Take Profit Trader once we do the giveaway today on stream. So we're going to do a duck race today as well. They're trying to squeeze it on up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. We have about 20 minutes until the open. But let's go look at the gamma levels. That's what I said I was going to do, and then got squirreled. Ugh. We are above the 1-day max. Should have looked at that sooner. At least on the ES. It's kind of funny. The 1-day max is on the NASDAQ right in that zone that we identified, but we are above it. Oh, boy. So trying to short this is not the best play. Where's GAX1 at? GAX1's way down here. We gapped way over that and said, yeah, that's cute. We will not fight against the trend anymore. Drop the shake the week cans out, then all-time highs? Maybe. Very well could be. Definitely would not want to rule that out. I don't know if I think we're going all the way back down to GAX1 at 30,000. That'd be a 581 point drop. Just don't think that's going to be in the cards. If we stay above this 1-day max, and I'm an idiot and I keep trying to fade the markets. I don't know why. Oh, hey, Jesse, I didn't think about that. That could be too. Hey, so I need to go check that. Let's go check that real quick. Jesse's trying to give me reasons why I can short this. Let's go look. Let's go look. 1-day max. Let's see. Wish it told me. Yeah, that's the one thing, Jesse. I don't know if they rolled the contract or not. We're ripping on up. Oh, hey, Paul, you didn't miss much. We're just ripping up. Yeah, I'm trading the, hey, Marcio, I'm trading the U contract, September. Hey, and as a friendly reminder, if you guys ever want to know which contract to trade, go to CME. And we're going to do this from scratch. Oops. CMEgroup.com. All right, when you go to CMEgroup.com, scroll down here real quick where it says equities. All right, if you want to look at the ES, just click right there. And let's go look at quotes. When you look at quotes, just pay attention. Which contract has the most volume? Right now, we can see the September contract has the most volume. It's going to be the same thing to be true for the NASDAQ. We go back here a little bit, go back to the NASDAQ, go to quotes. You can also see we have more volume on September than we do on the June contract. CBC still on the old contract. So I wonder what TradingView has us on right now. Let's go look at the price. So NQ is 595. Oh yeah, I think they're on the old contract. No, they're on the same one. Same contract. Yeah, TradingView has a new contract. Bitcoin's up 890 here at the moment. Got a nice little rejection from that zone that we had mapped out for quite a while. Nice little bounce right back to where this volume is on the profile. We'll see, can we go all the way to the other side of it? Maybe start going back up? Or do we catch a little bit of slack and we see Bitcoin starting to go down? I really wish I knew my mentor Q levels though. Really wish. I knew which contract they were on. Huh. Yeah, June is still tradable, but man, just be careful. You'll tend to get more slippage on the June contract. I find myself wanting to short it again. I gotta wait. I gotta have self-discipline at least until the open. Late tomorrow, Wednesday. Hey Timothy, I can get on board with that. I would agree. Now, one thing to be mindful of, if this gap is not filled by Thursday's close, it's going to be a couple weeks before we come back and visit that gap. So. Oh, hey, Sean, I appreciate that. Now, if I can just trade well this morning, we'll be good. We'll be good. Let's go see. Mr. Financial Juice. Ships are starting to move. Many loaded up with oil out of the Straits of Hormuz. Is that true? Are the ships really moving? Yeah, we're above the 1-day max on the NQ and the ES, Paul. 1-day max is down here at about 417. Now, I've only got one micro contract on here at the moment. Oh, U.S. industrial production. I forgot we had that news. A little bit of news at 9:15. Not really a market moving event. So I am down. I put that trade on right before the stream, right over here. So it's been up. It's currently down. But I only got one contract. I will DCA on that. So 1-day max is what the market, the options market's pricing in. The maximum we should go or the minimum. I think there's like 90% of the time we're going to close within the 1-day max and 1-day minimum ranges. But when the market gets it wrong, when the options market get it wrong, they usually get it wrong in a big way, which means we could be in store for a lot larger moves this morning. So and I gotta be careful because I keep finding myself wanting to short this down towards this zone right here. So yeah, but hey, so that changes. So you'll find that over the course of a year, there'll be several weeks where the market's moving more in one session or the other, but then it ends up rotating to another session. Then it'll do that for a few weeks and then another session. I mean, that's happened from as long as I can remember. But maybe we'll still get some more movement today. Maybe they'll squeeze it up even more so. 1-day max is how the options market's pricing in the movement. Option markets wasn't seeing us move past that. Well, they're wrong. When they get it wrong, they're usually wrong in a big way. Now, maybe we still come back down within it and close within, the 1-day max and 1-day minimum. I just don't know, man. I don't know that I feel that confident about that. Hey, Love and Nature guy, what's up? Good morning. Look, they were able to turn that regression channel back up. Don't forget, if you guys want to vote, pop or drop in the open. Poll is in the chat. Let's see what y'all think. Let's see. And a lot of times we'll just hit the 1-day max, 1-day minimum, and the market will turn and go back the other way, and that'll be it. You see right now we're spending quite a bit of time above that 1-day max on the ES and the NASDAQ. So, and the S&P has not taken out that 4-hour target yet, 7609.5. So, Tomorrow another gap up. It'll come out tonight between 5 and 6. All right, now we really have a gap. Getting slower and slower. It needs to move like the market opening. Hey, Trader Life, what's up? Yeah, they agreed to a peace deal yesterday before the market opened. So we ended up with a quite large gap. But what I'm surprised at, oil is at $80.46. First annual pool party. Oh, and for those of you that weren't on here earlier, you see any emails about somebody saying they're a team member of mine, yada, 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 it's all false. I have no team members. So I'm not going to be asking you to join no private group. Come invest money with me. If you see those emails, they are scammed. The only emails you'll see from me are not going to be from some Gmail account. It's going to be from the email that you sign up to the email list under. So there's a couple of you guys that sent me emails over the weekend. About 3 of you. First one, I was like, yeah, that's kind of weird. I got a second one. Then I got a third one. I was like, yeah, that's a problem. So I only got a message from 3 people. So if we look at the market on open orders, let's go see real quick. How are they shaking out to start off the day? NASDAQ still ripping up. All right, we got 9 minutes and 28 seconds till the market's open. So right now, S&P 145 million to the buy side. NASDAQ, I won't start moving for another 4 minutes. Dow 3.4 million to the sell side. Let's see how it holds. Now, I'm curious real quick. If we come over and we take a look at, let's go look at pre-market. Pre-market change. AMD up, Intel up, Clack up, SanDisk up, Nvidia up, Apple up, Microsoft, Meta, Google, Amazon, Tesla. All the Mag 7s in the green. We got a lot of green across the board. We have the NASDAQ on the verge of making a new session high. So let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's get it. Let me go ahead and change this back so I don't forget. Fear and Green Index still over in fear. We'll see if that changes today or not. It should. We're going to take a look at the VIX. Volatility Index. Wow, we're down at 16.28. Well, it's kind of funny though. I mean, is it just me or did you guys notice it too? Every time they announce anything about a potential trade deal, or not trade deal, peace deal, the markets go zinging up. Then they realize, it's not going to happen anytime soon. The market doesn't come crashing down as fast as we went up. So you can tell underlying the market's been wanting to go higher. Chat, I think so. I think ChatGPT and there's another big one too. Wanting to IPO soon. Either longs or flats. Oh boy. Yeah, I've already had my short hat on tonight or today. So it hasn't worked out too well for me either. Yeah, Anthropic. That's what I was thinking too, Jesse, but I was like, wasn't 100% sure. Got locked out by BitLocker. Oh boy. The Schiller PE ratio is up there pretty good. It was in the 40s 2 weeks back. Bullish till August-ish. Yeah, historic high on the PE ratio. So I'm going to close down that poll. If you guys want to vote, last chance to vote. Pop or drop at the open. I'm going to close it down in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then we'll bring it over and see how the NASDAQ's market on open orders are looking. Dow's pretty flat on the open. Now, NASDAQ right now is up 2.14%. Russell 1.65%. Then the S&P 1.34 and Dow up 1.19. Let's see. We do have session highs right above us. I guess a little bit. Oh, it's not on that chart. Right above us right here. 628. Let's see if we get it. We gets it. Yeah, gold's at 136. It was funny last week. I said, gold should get a bounce at some point. We still have lower targets on gold, but look over through this little zone right here. Whoop, got back into it. Gold now going to make its way towards 44.66 and 45.72. Oh boy. Oh boy. Trying to blast off. I'm going to go ahead and shut down the poll real quick. It looks like 67% of you guys. Let's just see. 67% said we're going to pop. 33% said drop. Go ahead and look at the market on open orders. 384 million on the S&P, 223 on the NASDAQ, 37 million on the Dow. All right, all right, all right. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Coming up on new session highs. Can they do it? All right, here comes session highs right here, the green line. I'm waiting until the market opens before placing any further trades. Just me. 75, 20. We do look on the SPX real quick before the open. Let's just mark this off. Where we at? Watch. That's not much lower. I was gonna say 75.25, but we're only 5 points above that, 6 points above it. Then maybe 75.70. Interesting. See the VIX? VIX keeps plowing lower at $16.27. Down 7.92%. Huh. Let's see how much I'm down that micro real quick. Now about $62 on the micro. I won't add 10 until after the open. See if we push up a little bit more. On the NASDAQ, I would still love, again, this might be a little bit of a pipe dream at the moment, but come down towards this minus development area down here. Right now, we're pushing session highs. New session highs on the NASDAQ before the opening bell. So the indices are going to have one heck of a gap on the way up. It's going to be quite large. We got about 2 minutes until the opening bell. Let's get it. NASDAQ still ripping. Hey, Rapid, good morning. Let's see, let's see. Regression channel sloping up. We're way above the upper regression channel line, though. So I don't know that I want to buy that right at the open, but close 3rd of June. Let's see, let's see. Come down to the last minute before the opening bell. Yeah, good morning and good luck. Another 3% up. Oil's down 5% right now. Gold's up 3.24%. Wow. No CEO, no board, no directors, no employees. Everything run by AI. I mean, it probably will happen at some point. Let's go. We got 10 seconds. Let's get ready. Get ready to see who wins it. Pops or the drops. First 1 minute candle. All right. Ding, 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 ding. The market is open. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Does it close up or down for that 1 minute candle? Pushed it up a little bit, pushed it down. We got about 30 seconds till the candle closes. Oh, Pops might get it right today. I don't know. So you got 20 seconds. Got a little fight going on here. Yeah, I think the Pops are going to get it right. Yeah, Pops are going to get it right. We got 2 seconds. There we go. Pops got it right. Now, I'm curious real quick. Over here on the ES. 09.5. What's the high right now? 07. So we're going to probably hit this value low. Get that target knocked out of the way. I don't know if we're going to have a quick reversal though, Raj. I don't know. You know, what's going to change it? If we look, we have one more news item at 10. NAHB Housing Market Index. Should be low impact. Other than that, we don't have any other news, planned economic news to move the markets. I just don't know. We'll see something like that. VIX right now at $16.16. VIX still going on down. Yeah, NASDAQ still pushing. In this megaphone game. So we're at the second deviation band. We're close to it on the NASDAQ. ES still has a little bit further to go. I think the ES just hit the target too. Or just hit that level. 09.5. Yeah, missed it by 1 tick. 1 tick. Just missed that untested value low. Oh, there you go. Got it. Got it. So until you buy calls on Friday. Hey, anybody bought calls on Friday? They're smiling ear to ear this morning. It should be. If not, you bought the wrong calls. Got a 9 count up there. Yeah, maybe. We'll see what wash does to the markets. Let's see. Look above and dump scenario. I don't know. We're pretty far. We're up 2.5% almost. On the NASDAQ anyways. I'm game for a good short, but I'm a little bit gun shy. 31,000 today. We could get it. We're at the second deviation band. So tempted to short it. So tempted. Probably should. I could have got something out of it. Yeah, wait, boy, I'm still in the micro short. I actually just added to it. So I got 2 of them on now. I just added to it up here. So right now it is in the red. Oh, they're trying to come right back up. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Push, push, push. All right, new session highs on the NASDAQ. Good thing I've held off on the short yet. So far, so far. I'm getting ready to smack it though. So bad I want to hit it. Smack it. Yeah, you see we're still way above the upper aggression channel here at the moment. This looks jacked up. My scaling's all messed up. Yeah, all the indices gapped up big. So you can see it on the ETFs too. SPY, huge gap on the way up. Let me get rid of this VWAP real quick. Huge gap on the way up. Diamonds, huge gap. IWM, large gap. And QQQs, large gap. Now, RSP real quick is up 1.1%. SPY is up 1.54%. So SPY is outperforming RSP here at the moment. And we're still just pushing up. They're still just pushing. So I have a hard time buying the market when it's already had this big of a move. Just bought put here on the QQQs, 2 days out. Come on. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. That's gonna go back up probably. Hopefully not though. Come on, Mr. NASDAQ, you gotta be tired. I'm tired of watching you go up. Please, 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 please. I'm just going to close it. All right. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. 507. Finite. Congrats. Good deal. Good deal. It definitely doesn't want to come down. Good thing I got out too. Going right back up. Got some quite large moves overnight. You guys know I don't like one-way markets where we don't get any pullbacks. We just go up, 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 up and away, or down, down, down. Either way, I don't like it. So it's not the market environment that I trade the best in, unfortunately. Oh, man. Hey, Finite, what prop firm are you trading with? And which account size? So I think you should still be good. Lucid 25K Pro. No, hey, Pro account, no. Hey, if you're in the eval, you're good. Is that an eval account? Because you can pass the eval in one day in the Pro account with Lucid. So you'll be fine. Just sold, made 5,000. Wow. Hey, KTG, good job. Oh, it's funded? Yeah. Let's go see what the consistency rule is. I trade the flex accounts. They don't have a consistency rule. Let's just go check that real quick. The way it gives the market a chance to get out of this area. So this will be a little break it up for me. Yeah, let's go see. What is the consistency? Yeah, 40% consistency. Hey, so 25K account. So you only have to make $1,100 to get a payout? Yeah, you're definitely going to be over. That's all right. One more day and you'll probably be fine. One more day, you'll probably be good. Yeah, easier said than done. Yeah, look, we came right back down towards the lower regression channel. Whoop, right back up. I'll have to take out the session highs again. There we go, new session highs. Hey, what's funny is oil isn't dropping like our markets are going up. If you look at crude oil real quick. No, crude oil is just chopping around. Now, crude oil is down $4.43, but yeah, 500 divided by 1250. That looks about right. They're gonna get it. They're gonna keep on going. It's like, man, I can't buy it up here. I can't buy it in good faith when we're already up 2.5%. Even if the market's gonna go higher, I can't do it. Can't do it. Can't do it. I get the payout. Yeah, find out. That'd be awesome when you get the payout. All right, new session highs again. And another one. I'm not really buying this. I'll take a little aggressive play here, maybe. I know I'm being aggressive here. Hopefully it doesn't bite me. F it, I'm out. F it, I'm out. I'm trying to get back to some of what I lost in pre-market. Trying to calculate targets and yeah, that's nice. $2,500 payout. That's good. That is good. Hey, Adam, good morning. The Stock Surfer. Hey, thanks for smashing that like button. Let's see. Is we about to get it? I'll go double check something real quick. Let's go look. Diamonds are getting into the gap right here. SPY, not yet. Qs, not yet. And IWM's also just barely getting into that gap. Fix to try and get a little bouncy bounce. Oh, yeah, fine. I'm glad to help. Let's see. Are they gonna be able to push it down or not? Hey, the boss. Good morning. Yeah, Dow's dumping a little bit, or is trying to dump. We had NASDAQ get ready to take out session highs again. New session highs again. Hey, the boss. I gave back some of my gains from last night in pre-market. So one more trade and I should be back good if it's a winner. It's a big if. We're just screaming up right now. No looking back. Market's only going up. Only going up. Up and away. Let's see. Push. AK Poker, it does not go down. Only goes up. That's a pretty big move last night. Last night and this morning, we just keep on pushing. Let's go look at the opening range real quick. Opening range, high to low. 130 points. That's about normal. Look at this real quick. We're going to hit that point of control over there on the NASDAQ. Nice. Hey, Dustin, good job. Good deal. Hey, Mechanoble, what's up? Yeah, 30,855. That's where it looks like he's trying to gun for. I'm just not good in these one-directional markets. So I'm sitting on my hands. Trying to take it slow at the moment. Still long the ES? Nice. Hey, Frank, what's your target on the ES? IWM just hit all-time highs, really? Oh, yeah, it did. Let's see. Any news? Just new all-time highs. Missed a GC short? I don't know. Gold's up 3.46%. We're about to have a 9 count again. I'm not touching it. I'm good. Yeah, 76.32 probably. We just keep on going and going and going. No stopping it. You got a 9 count right there. Do I dare? Do I dare? Oh boy. That didn't work out. That didn't work out. I'm gonna give it another shot though. Give it one more shot. I'm not gonna get crazy with it. The VIX isn't moving. Look at the VIX here in a second. Let's see the outcome of this trade. It's probably gonna stop me out. Closed it. Son of a biscuit eater. Let's go look at the VIX real quick. Yeah, VIX isn't moving much, but it's still moving. Hey, what's up? What's up? Wow, ES up 124 points. NASDAQ's up 835 points. Jeez. And you see the VIX moving here a little bit. A little bit. Golly. We're going to hit that at 30,855. We're not even that far away from it. And what's funny is oil isn't really moving. Oil's just chopping around. Chopperooski. Look at CL real quick. Boom, boom, boom. Been just chopping here. One hour supply level on the ES. I don't know. Like they just don't want to go down. Markets all aboard long. I just jumped on another short. I jumped on another donation. Oh man. I don't like days like today. I do not like days like today. These are not my days I like. At least it's on a Monday. So I got plenty of time to get it back this week. But not having fun at the moment. Thought to just sit here. Hey, Robert, you can give out donations. You know, the market makers got to make money too. They got families to feed. No, you're gonna go down, you joker. I was about to push the sell button too. I had my finger right there on the sell button. I just didn't click the mouse down. Stuff just sit there. They don't have to just sit there. You can click buttons. That's what I'm doing. Clicking buttons, giving out donations. Didn't want to take my donation. Try to give me another donation right there. They didn't want to take it. 735. 735 is going to be the lower regression channel. It's sloping upward. I'm fighting the trend, obviously. Not good. All right, green to red. Learn how to use and set up Ninja. Hey, I have a whole Kim, I have a whole playlist on Ninja Trader on the channel. Might want to check it out. Look at all that delta right there. Still think we want to get a pullback. I still think we're gonna get a pullback. I think I'm just a little bit early to the party. How come every trade I don't take goes down? The ones I take just don't work out in my favor. Come on down. All right, I'm back in the green, thankfully. I'll see if I can crawl my way back, get back to green from where I was last night. This morning has not been very kind to me. Your upper target is 31,100. Hopefully we don't hit that today. Jeez. Under 1 minute. Some prop firms, I mean, they have rules around under 10 seconds, 5 seconds, but upper 4,400 on gold, then short to 41. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, so even with oil down 5% today, we're not going to see it at the pumps for a while. Oil goes up overnight, they instantly raise the price, but they never bring it back down nearly as quickly. Yeah, Luce has 5-second microscoping rule. No, hey, so just one trade isn't going to do it. So majority of the prop firms, if a majority of your trades are over that, then that's where it becomes a problem. Because we can't control, hey, a thing just hit your target. It could be a 20-point target in the NASDAQ. You could be out in 2 seconds. We can't control that. Takes 2 weeks. Hey, but T-Coop, I watched a gas station back in 07 raise the price of gas across the street from my work 3 times in 1 day. They didn't get 3 shipments of gas in. Dang it. Thought about shorting it. Come on. Dang it. I was wanting to short it. Jokers. I missed it. I missed it. Now on the ES, we have the view out down at 95, 75.95. On the NASDAQ is at 576 now. Oh, I don't know the price of diesel fuel, Frank. I don't have no idea. I can't tell you how much gas is right now. I can't remember how much it was when I filled up. I didn't really pay attention. Let's get it. It's gonna go down now that I'm not in it. You stupid market. SpaceX at 175. Nice. Gotta make Elon the $10 trillion man. You're pure chicken right now. Yeah, shorting was not for the faint of heart last night. See the S&P dropping about 25 points from here. Let's bring the ES. It's about 90. See the ES going 75, 90-ish. All right, NASDAQ, we are below the lower regression channel. Let's see if we can pop back up here. So they can start turning it a little bit. Maybe, maybe not. Hmm. 10 a.m. opening price. We should have just got news out too. Let's go see what the housing data news was. 10 a.m. Came at 35. They expected 36. Previously 37. Kind of right in line with what they thought. Not really any big market moving events. Oil right now is at $80.22. Look at the VIX. VIX at 16.41. $90 times 12. Good up. Good job, Sam. Good deal. Sit gamma chart. Oh, let's see. Oh, there it is. All right, let's go looky. 7,500. Wow. Wouldn't mind seeing that one, T-Coop. 7,500. That'd be nice. Hey, Anthony, I wish that's how it was here, but that's not the case. Back in the red. Close it out maybe 1 or 2 ticks before I hit my target, my stop. Try for 75.70. Hey, Jesse, even with the hero going down the way it is, you think so? Not a fan of today's price action. As soon as it flips again. Well, think about it, we're probably not gonna have any other negative news out today. Everyone's gonna be riding high on the war is over. Oil is gonna go to 0. Nice. Past 25K pro count. Give it up. Give it up. Good job. Good deal. God, dog, that was a horrible entry. Horrible entry. Hopefully it goes down more and will pay me on it. It's not gonna work out. I can tell by the way it's moving. Close it. So I said 3.6-ish. Oh boy. Should have took it. We got that little dip right there. I should have took off the profits that I had. Nope. Nope. And look, here's the funny thing. I know I should not be shorting the market way above the 1-day max. Am I listening? Nope. Wow, that's horrible. I was trying to cancel that order. Trying to cancel that order where I hit sell and where it put the order in. Drastically different. Drastically different. Oh, man. Probably wouldn't have mattered either way, though. It still would have been a loss. Yeah, 9 count right up here, right down here to that 9 count. Whoop, right back up. Regression channel sloping upward. I got it. For whatever reason, I'm just only fighting the trend today. Not even considering any long trades. You can tell by my P&L. Yeah, gold's up 150. Yeah, price is above all the gamma levels at the moment on the ES. 1 day is all the way down, or the GEX one's way down here. Market's like, nah, we're not going down there. Get out of here with that mess. So we get down. It's on the wrong chart again. Biscuit. Sure that off the ES chart. Look at that 1 minute ES chart, not the NASDAQ chart when I got in. Let's see. 680. So we get a little push. Might at least move that stop to break even. Don't you come up there and get me. Don't you do it. I'm close. I gotta get some green. I gotta give some green. Oil giving up a few cents. Really wants to see the 70s. Yeah, oil right now is at $80.09. They were going back down towards this low right here. 92 to about 702 to 92. Let's see. Kins, we get it. Kins, they do it. Do it. What time is it? 10:08. Your mojo is way off. Yeah, mine too. Mine's 2. I was good last night. Well, first trade was lost. Then I went long. And yeah. I just get on there and hit my target real quick. Please and thank you. One more push lower. Thank you very much. All right, now I'm back green for the day. All right, I likes it. I'm liking it a little bit better, should I say. Back in the green. And green to red. I don't like these green to red days. And look how fast they just rip it right back up. Whoop, right back up. You're red. I was red. Green to red. So let's see. Guarantee freezes way too much. That's not good. I had a problem last week with one of my charts, but normally I don't have too big of a problem with it. If I'm connected to too many prop firms, one of the data feeds will cause it to freeze. All I gotta do is disconnect from the data feeds, and then I'll figure out which one it is. Then I can reconnect, and it's all good. I don't know why it does that. It never did it until Ninja made it a switch over the data connection for the live account, and they had an update right around the same time. So I don't know which one caused it. $10 to 15 times last night. Oh boy. I want to try clearing out your cache. Come on down. Let's get it. Get it. Please. $30,703 is key. I like to see us break it. So this could be an ABC pattern down. Maybe I'm just a dreamer. If we hold above, if we hold below 673, 763, we have a target down here at 651. Huh. Filled me right when I hit cancel. Right when I hit cancel order, it filled me. That's awesome. That's awesome. Where's finite going to? Oh, nice. Let's see. Hey, Spaces, good morning. I don't know if it's a good morning, but it's definitely morning. Definitely morning. I'm fighting the trend this morning. I haven't taken one long trade yet this morning. I've already went green to red, back to green, trying to go red again, maybe. Not really, but oh, whoa, that's horrible. I hit that sell button. God, dog it. Just gotta get out. I hit the sell button up higher. And look, it would have hit my target too. Hey, how's it going? I'm not doing too good today. Struggling this morning. I'm fighting the markets. Yeah, I want to target at 651 down here. SpaceX might have a double top. I want to go check that out. Let's go looky. All right, back in the red again. Back's in the red. I still like that 651 potential target. Come on down there. Keep on going. I'm going to get out. All right, it puts me back in the green again. Oh, green to red. Look, 651, I think we're coming to it. Let's see. I do want to go see SpaceX real quick. Yeah, it's not as high as I thought it would be right now, though. All right, we overthrew that low right there. We can't hold below it. We're probably going to go higher. I still like that 651 target. As long as we don't get above 760, I said 764. We'll round that up a little bit. As long as we don't get above that, I'm game for still looking for that 651 strike. Let's see. I'm just watching to see, are we going to breach up here? Or do we start coming down below these EMAs? Start putting pressure on that 200. I'm probably going to short it again. I'm way late on that. Oh, I got a target. I was going to try to move it down, but it failed me, so I'm not going to cry about that. It's better than a loss. Dang it. See if we can get back down here a little bit. Again, 651 is where I want to really take it to. I don't have to do it all in one big trade. Take little chunks. I just, dang it, stop me out. Stop me out, then goes down. You sucker. Not allowed to go down yet? Yeah, I see that. Didn't they get the memo? Oh, I sent out a memo. Time to go down. All right. I'm going to take that a little bit while I got it. I still like the 651. All right. We already validated the ABC pattern. The invalidation point's up here at 764. We breach above that. Ends up being a failed pattern. Right now, the 651 is in my line of sight. Oh, hey, Jess. Hey, Jesse. Yeah, a lot of people had that problem. I can't remember what the fix was. Going back into the daily range? Yeah, hopefully. Hey, Raj, if that's the case, there's still a lot more downside pressure to be had. If you're right on that, we got a lot further down to go. But we start pushing on that 200 EMA, start pushing down here again. Huh. Hey, Jesse, they said on the new version, the price updates a lot quicker. View app is flipping up again. Yeah, we still haven't hit the view app on the ES or on the NASDAQ. Switch over and look, but I'm looking to maybe take another trade. See if we dang, hit my target too quick. I was trying to play the break of this EMA and it hit my target too quick before I can move it. Oh, she's trying to let me move my target, so it's not going to be a win. Come on. You're not giving me the warm fuzzies. Closed it. Wasn't giving me the warm fuzzy. I didn't want to take a full loss on that last one. I still want to keep trying for that 651 as long as we don't breach 764. Only up today. That's what it seems like. That's what it's been so far. Only up. I want only down. I'm going to wheel the market down lower. Gladly take that. Thank you very much. They slipped me on that exit too. All right, there we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, see if we can get that 651. Can we get down to 651? Sure hope so. We're going back to old one. Who's let's see. I still like it. I still like that 651. Need to get back involved though. Preferably without being stopped out. I'm not going to look for one big trade down there. I'm just going to take a couple scalps down there. Ah, come on. Just a little bit lower. All right. Thank you. I think that puts me at new session highs. Now I got back everything I lost in pre-market. Got back everything I lost at the beginning of the session. I'm on the road to the comeback again, trying to play this 651 area, that ABC pattern. Just keep taking trades down towards that area is my MO at the moment. Let's see if we can get it. Can we do it? Oil right now is at $80.03. So oil's pull back a little bit. See if we're going to make it down there. I did end up adding to the MNQ, which I'm going to peel some of these off real quick. So I peel one off. Oh, dang it. I hit the friggin' reverse button. Ha! I didn't mean to do that. I meant to peel one off. I hit reverse. Oh boy, I meant to hit buy bid. See, buy bid's right next to reverse. I'm like, how am I long? Oh boy. Oh boy. Alrighty. Well, that's a mistake that went in my favor. So I got out of the whole thing and then it reversed it. It made a little bit more on the reverse, which I did not want to do. Yeah, oops. I like it when an oops mistake goes in my favor. Usually if I ever hit reverse, it does not work. Meaning it ends up being a losing trade. Raj says dump time. Yeah, Raj, now that I'm out of the micros, it probably will be dump time. We still have not hit that 651 area yet. So the ABC pattern will be considered busted or a failed pattern if we break above 760 or 764. I love when a plan comes together. So now, all right, so I'm going to re-engage a micro again. And I will start the DCA process all over. But I'm gonna try to target right around 651-ish instead of the much larger target I was hoping for earlier. And major chop. Hey, Boss Dog, it's never worked for me. Like, I feel like every time I've ever hit that button, it's just donation straight to the market. All right, there's a trade I just put on. I'm gonna look for 651-ish on this one micro. Oh boy. Hey, repeat, the way I lose money if I'm over the consistency, just put on a couple contracts, hit buy sell, or sell buy. Either way, it doesn't matter. And you'll lose the spread. Just do it really quick. You lose the spread. If I try to pick the direction to lose money, I'll find all the winning trades, I feel like. Oh, that's what you did? Now let's go look at something real quick. Mr. VIX, where you at? All right, VIX looks like he's still trying to firm up down here. Still could be trying to firm up. And we're at 41 on the fear and greed index. Trying to get back over into the neutral category. Let's see if we get there or not. I got a sneaky suspicion this isn't just going to go right down to 650. It's going to come up there and invalidate the ABC pattern and then go down there at some point. Nor the price line jittering. Huh. ABC pattern up. Let's go look. Let's go look at different time frames. On the 4-hour chart, it's just been straight up. No really harmonic patterns to be displayed. 30-minute chart. Not really. I don't see it yet. Yeah, RTY is the weakest at the moment, only up 1.09%. But let's see where we are in a daily real quick. Yeah, see, I don't see it. I always see straight legs everywhere. I don't see anywhere to really draw an ABC pattern to the upside yet. We gotta see some type of pullback. Then we can draw it from here, get a pullback, and then back up. But the problem is we're just not pulling back yet. Big's trying to come back down. Oh, hey, we got oil below 80. Oil's at $79.85. Woo. Let's see if they're going to invalidate that. Oh, we have another target we can look at here too. Hold on. So 669 is 50% of that opening range. That could be used for a target as well. What do we make it to? I made it to 71 down there. Uh-oh, they're trying to bid it up. What happened to my regression channel here? Oh, it's sideways. Let's see if we get above right here, 764, and validates that ABC pattern down. Finally put diesel in your car. Doot, doot, doot. Doot, doot, doot. Yeah, trade detector bubble. Let's see if they're going to reward the buyers right there or push it back down. We get below that trade detector bubble, I may look for another sell. Yeah, chirp, chirp. Boat time. Let's get it. See if we can go down and break that bubble on the 1 minute. A little bit more of aggressive on my part here. Yeah, that's what I get. That's what I get. Huh. £2 per liter. California's got some crazy high gas prices. I just closed it. Yeah, hey Jesse, Boss Dog had a potential solution for you. I don't know if you saw it. Come on, just push it. Just push it down. Let me be more specific. Come on. All right. Here we go. Let's see if we're going to go back again. Yeah, channel's flattening out, so I keep trying to, well, I'm trying to shorten it. We did invalidate the ABC pattern, which completed down here at 651. It came up, we broke above that swing point right there. I was hoping that bubble was going to give us a little bit, you know, trap the buyers and send it down a little bit, but that was not the case. That's crap. First time I hit the button, nothing happened. So I hesitated to make sure the order wasn't going to pop up. I hit it again. It popped up substantially lower. Come on, let's keep it going. Let's get. I'll gladly take that new. Not quite new session highs. I'll gladly take that. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. Let's go. Let's go. Close the NQ gap from 6.5. Nice. So, hey, if you look over there, actually on a 5-minute chart, look what we could have setting up. All right. If we end up producing a lower high here, this could be a little ABC pattern down on the 5-minute. Now, we got to get the turn in place. If we don't turn here, it won't matter. That'd be about right around 640 or so. What about ES? Similar on the ES, RTY. Yeah, RTY has been a little bit weaker. Man, I should have been shorting the RTY. Israel will do something naughty. Yeah, maybe. All right, VWAP. Dow's already touched the VWAP. RTY has not only touched it, went below it. ES, no touchy with the VWAP yet. And NQ, no touchy yet either. Let's see. Get a little bit more of this. Give me another win, please. Thank you very much. I'll gladly accept. New session highs on the day. Woo! Went from green to red. Green last night, all the way to red, back to green, back to red, back to session highs. Huh. Hey, Jesse, I was going to update mine over the weekend. I did not. I was going to. I just got busy and didn't get around to it. I know people are having problems with the sound. I didn't hear about the price line jittery, though. Yeah, Christmas trees. We do have the regression channel sloping downwards slightly. Slightly. Come on. A little bit more. You sucker. Come on. Please. Okay, I'll take it. Quick little scalp. Thank you very much. The other regression channel is sloping downward, so now I'm not so much fighting the trend at the moment. But could this also be like a little bull flag? Push up, you let the flag you're trying to bust out of. Then even this leg right here, it could be a little bull flag right there too. Bull flag within inside of a bull flag. So I gotta be careful. Do gotta be careful. Option flow reverse, be careful. Five-minute MACD looks like it's breaking down. Oh, let's go look at my favorite indicator of all times. The reason why I could not make money in the markets early on. Or so I thought. Oh yeah, MACD is trying to get a little bearish cross. What about on the 30? Yeah, both on the ES and the NQ. VIX at 1629. Let's see. String Bean says, I can't bring myself to short. Ah, hey, good for you. You don't want to take the harder path like I've been doing this morning. For sure. It has not been the easiest path. It's been the path of most resistance. Oh, man. Yeah, you missed a long. Problem was I got my long too early last night. That was a real problem. We're going to break down again. Are we going to go back down towards the lower regression channel? Maybe. Oof. Yeah, Knicks are the champs. It's been a hot minute since last time they were champs. Burn down their own city. Joker. Should have took it. Son of a beep. Closed it. I still think we want to come down towards that lower regression channel. I still think we want to get down there. One thing I am a little bit concerned with it is the VWAP above us. On the same trade? Yeah, I got out, Raphael. I said, I'm good. Trying to get back in, didn't want to film me. Sorry, I guess. Here's the ES. I don't know, 30-minute, we're starting to get a little reaction here. I shorted it again real quick. Where's that lower regression? 684. Ooh, I'd love to get it down there. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to. I don't know if the market's going to participate with me. Come on, don't bounce here at the center of regression channel line. Do not bounce here. Go down. Down right here. Bet you can't make it to 683, Mr. NASDAQ, while I'm still in it. On the ES at value area high. I don't like this. I don't like the fact that we're not going down here. Come on, let's get down a little bit more. Keep it going. Come on. Back up the truck. Let's go. Thank you very much. I'll gladly take it. Gladly take it. New session highs again. Let's get it. Loving it. Looks like big buyers being absorbed. I got my Bookmap all jacked up right now. I gotta go back and reset the stop loss and iceberg order indicator. Did it all last night. Did not save it when I shut it down. So, and right around contract rollover, the order flow gets a little bit jacked up because you got some people still trading the old contract, so the volume's still split a little bit. We'll see if we make it to the lower regression channel. Then do we bounce, or do we start turning that channel more aggressively to the downside? Another target. Don't forget about this target right here, opening range midpoint, which will be right there. Right there, that white line. Let's see if I can fatten that out a little bit. Change the color to green. All right, so that green line will be a target location midpoint of the opening range. Take out the head and shoulders to the upside. Might be able to go upside, but I'm favoring more downside, at least until we get down to VWAP. VWAP's at 616 right now. On the ES, it's at 7,600. So let's see if we can get it or not. Maybe, maybe not. Only time will tell. I haven't seen any more news come out. Have we? Trump landed in Geneva, headed for the G7 summit. 29 verified vessels crossing were recorded between the 10th and the 14th of June. Straits of Hormuz traffic remains uneven. Israel drone strike on car in South Lebanon kills driver. U.S. military ships affected by the blockade should not attempt to cross until explicit directions is given. Explicit direction is given. There we go. Yeah, we're going to do a duck race today, Frank. We's going to do a duck race. Look, right back up. Whoop. So far, no go on that mid line of the opening range for the target. $670-ish is going to be that target. Price. Your duck is all set at today's move. In the channel. Let's see. Can we get out of this? We're just like chopping around up here. Which that chop did allow me to get back to new session highs in the account, so I can't be too upset with that. You use code Mike on the side of it. Multiple personalities. Think about taking another swing here. God dog it, I couldn't move my limit. Couldn't move my limit fast enough. Maybe the market did me a solid on that. And nah, dang it. See if we can bounce back up. Maybe give me another shot. I want to try to target this midpoint. Keep taking trades down until we get down there. Closed it. Going down is impossible. Yeah, I know. It's amazing I even got to where I am. Only taking shorts today. Yeah, oil is back above 80. $80.04. Let's see. Still want to try for this midpoint right here. I don't know that we're going to get it. I don't know. I'm going to get it. We'll see. Be pretty fantastic if it does. Rotate up over the next 3 minutes. It might. I'll have to change my tone at that point. Come on. Just go down. It's making me a little nervous here. Closed it. Sell button broken again. Yeah, don't short the markets today. It's a hard way to go about it. Don't follow the path I've been going. I have not been taking the path of least resistance for sure. I have all the downside targets in my head. I can't shake it today. Yeah, go back down. Chase that one to the downside a little bit. Hopefully it don't make me pay for it. Really want that green line down here. Be fantastic if we get it. So it took 20 points. Nice. Hey, good job on that, DJ. Look, I was up plenty on that trade. I did not take it like an idiot. Trying to get more. Kept moving my target. That's what I get. I deserve that one. Yeah, magic green line, Jesse. Inspired by you. It mysteriously gets plotted right between the opening range, high and low. So if I gotta manually draw my line, it doesn't just automatically appear. Long for 30,600. Hey, Finite, why are you still trading the June contract? Well, make sure I want to trade that contract still, and not the September. Yeah, no triple. I should have too. I would have been. I don't know exactly how much I was up on it, but it would have been good. Oh, big delta spike right there. Hey, you don't know, to be honest. Doot, 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 doot. Look, we had a big trade detective bubble right here. We're trading above it. This would be a little extra. See if they want to juice a little bit more. First long trade of the day. Will it be a win? Will it be a loss? So they're going to try to bust it. Try to come up and take out these swing highs over here. Joker, you gotta stop me out first. Come on. Just go. Oh, I got nervous. Closed it. Small little gain. Now it's gonna go to target. 34 scalps on this chop. Yeah, I've taken quite a few trades myself. Haven't had the easiest of trading days yet. Hasn't been the hardest. Hasn't been the easiest. I did go green to red. Back to green. Back to session highs. Back down a little bit off session highs now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, repeat. Time to go visit VWAP. All the way down here at 619. I'm with you on that. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. We might be able to make high today again. Let's see if we can get the VWAP first. Hit VWAP and then go high today. Do whatever it wants to do. Well, think about what's going to change the direction of the market. Right now, the market's riding high on the fact that, hey, we have a deal. We haven't officially signed the deal, but we have a deal. Come on, we're looking at crude oil. Crude oil is like, I'm going back to VWAP again. Pushes away, back up. Pushes away, back up. Pushes away, back up. Pushes away, trying to go back up. Yes, is close to the high of the day. Yeah, yes is pretty close. Yes is right there. Deal for a 17th time. Yeah, but this time they mean it. We mean it this time. We're going to have the biggest, the best deal ever. We'll see if something derails it. Maybe, maybe not. Waiting for more Trump signals. Yeah, this looks like it wants to pop the high of the day. Well, I mean, it's not just today. Contract rollover is taking place Friday and all week. So it's not just like it's today, but if you think about choppy, we're up. Oh, no, not the Russell. Russell's the only one not up 1%. Let's go look at the Russell again real quick. Yeah, look, Russell's still trying to plow lower here. Huh. Yeah, you see, we're just busting up right now. Yeah, Russell's looking rusty. A little bit rusty. Yes, take out the highs. If not, close. Yes, get ready to bust through those highs. Oh, hey, Peter S. Hey, so my contact isn't in the office until today. So I was still waiting for another one. So Elijah Fade was the other winner. I just got his information this morning. So after we do the duck race today, I was going to send in all 3 winners at the same time. So you didn't miss anything. After we do the duck race today, I'm going to send it in. All right, there goes the yes, new session highs. NASDAQ, almost. Big news just came out. I don't see any news. Hey, and Peter S., I will be sending you an email once they notify me that the account's been transferred over to you and how you can activate that free account. This is probably should not have done this. Let's see. We have the high of the day right up there. So then just go down, break that 200 real quick, hit my target, then go up maybe, please. Joker. There we go. There's we go. All right, Peter S., not a problem. Thanks for supporting the channel. I do appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you. Small boats shooting at large ones. Look at that delta. Wow, look how messed up my delta is right there. Huge. In contrast to what is around it. You got a 9 count right up here. Basically tested the session high. Up 822 points. So let's see. Still off of session highs at the moment. Wouldn't mind getting a nice little short up here. A little double top 1, top 2. I am kind of curious if this were to play out. All right, hypothetically, we're going to go down here. When we complete, that would give us a target down here at 540. 540. That'd be pretty nice. But we got to break the neckline first. So I don't know that that's going to happen yet. You see, we're already trying to go up there and hit it. He's trying to get it. Get it. Hmm. 3,905 could happen. Don't rule it out. Don't bet against the NASDAQ. Now, oil's up at $80.63. Why is that? So we have such a great deal. Why is oil on the move up? Dow still pushing. Yeah, Dow at least came down, hit the VWAP. Little double bottom off the VWAP. Boom, right back up. RTY just keeps going lower. VIX is down 8% at the moment. Small craft was shooting at a ship. That's a problem. Did they not get the memo? We have a deal. Trump's going to lose his crap at the G7. Them SOBs. Yeah, I didn't see that. I didn't see that news come through. Oh, yeah, I see it now. Opening fire on the vessel. Hey, but notice I didn't. The market's like, nah, we still got a deal. Just a little gunfire. That won't violate the deal we have. Oh, they're flying some drones. Don't worry about it. That still doesn't do anything. Yeah, we did. We're going to get high a day before a VWAP. We're almost there right now. We're only a couple ticks away. There we go. We just got it. Just got it. Man, this is one of those can't stop, won't stop. Markets only go up. We're up 800, almost 50 points. We see 31K today. We might. I don't know. I got a sickness today. I only want to short the markets. I only want to short. That's not good. Not good. There you go. New session highs. Let's see. So again, no need to rush. At least I'm already green for the day. I got back green after being red to green. So nothing to worry about. Yeah, no pullbacks. That's what I hate. I trade better when we get ebbs and flows in the markets. No ebbs and flows. Mike doesn't have such a good day most of the time. I don't like it straight up or straight down. Lebanon Hezbollah officials' right to self-defense remains in place as long as occupation and aggression continues. See, I find myself only wanting to short it. I gotta get back to even keel. Chase it a little bit. Hope I don't regret this. A cash flow audiobook. I don't know why you keep typing that. All right. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, Russell's the one that's short. A short it, it'll find the bottom. Hey, Todd Horn, why would you say that? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Where are we at? I got a sickness today. Oh man, let's go. Hey, Finite, congrats. Come on, a little bit more. Oh boy, am I gonna go green to red again? Oh man. Oh man. This session, I gotta be careful. I don't want to go green to red again. At least now I'm back to roughly where I was last night. I just hate when we get these one directional moves all day. Gap up last night, we just keep going up, no real pullbacks. At least not seen on the 30-minute chart. Look, the best we've done for a pullback is kind of go sideways. I hate this. This is like my nemesis. Should have stopped on that session highs. Oh man. Should have stopped. Oh well. Oh yeah, I definitely do it on purpose. Yeah, sit on your hands. All-time highs on the new contract would be up here at 3190. So we're probably coming to this 30,855. But we've really had no pullbacks. Look, from this low right here to where we are now, no pullbacks, 2,200 points, almost 2,300 points. On TradingView, you pass all-time highs. I know it's gonna go up. I keep hitting the sell button. That's funny. Not really, but come on, Joker. It's like I gave you a shot to get out. You wanted to move your target from me. All-time highs on new contract. Yeah, I don't see that yet. I mean, we're working on it. We're working on it. I don't have it yet. I don't like the fact that we just made a new low or higher low right here. Gotta take out these lows. You got to take them out. My trade is begging and pleading. We're about to get a 9 count on the 1 minute, maybe. We're on bar number 9 right now. Oh, 2 different contracts. 2 different contracts. The new contract is typically higher. Come on. Come on, sucker. I like how we keep making higher lows. Look. Low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We need to break it. We need to break it for the good of my trade. Come on. All right, there we go. There we go. I'll take that one. You have to reach all the levels out. That's why when I did the analysis video over the weekend, I made everybody very clear that I was going to be using the new contract. That way, if you looked at your charts, they didn't match up, you knew why. Hey, Wild Deuce, what's up? Yeah, thanks for hanging out with us. I don't know who we're going to pick. We'll see who Nightbot picks first, and then I got my selection. I got 2 people in mind that I'm going to select for sure. We'll see who else I pick. I don't know. I know 2 people. I'm hoping I don't forget. So we'll let Nightbot pick the first 10, and then we'll see. Hey, Rapid, I meant to get you last time, so I owe you one. Oh, hey, Wild Deuce, I've been seeing you in here. No, duck race didn't pass yet. We're about to do it, though. We's about to do it. So, hey, you got to make sure you say hi to Nightbot. Let Nightbot know that you do exist. Because we're going to drop the code right now. Bink! TPT 40 off. All right, Thomas, once again. Thomas is on it. Thomas is like, you guys make this way too easy for me. All right, let's see who the next one's going to be. Simple Trader. You have the number 2 spot. Dustin, you have a spot in the duck race. Hopefully, you guys have your ducks well rested and ready to go. Oops. And it's making my eyes cross. I can't see that one. Oh, I can't pronounce that. All right. Next one. Finite, you have a spot. Oh, man. Congrats. Eddie, you have a spot in the duck race. About to take out session highs. Golf and Surf, you have a spot in the duck race. Mr. Full Port. Let's get it. Love that name. Emerald Green Waves, you have a spot in the duck race. Let's count real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, Nightbot's going to pick one more so you guys can quit typing in the chat. Now, remember, if you do win, let's talk about this before we do the race. You got to be signed up to the email list, and your emails got to be confirmed. If not, you simply forfeit. All right, you guys can stop typing in the chat, please. Please. All right, I'm going to give Rapid a spot in the duck race. Rapid, you have a spot. Let's see if the other one's still in here. Yeah, Jay Loves, you have a spot in the duck race. The boss, I'll give you a spot in the duck race. Frank, I gotta get Frank in here too. I just gotta quit typing in the chat though. Let's see. Okay, I'll just do it this way. Frank, you have a spot in the duck race. Who else? Who else are gonna randomly be picked? 1, 2. Let's see how many we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right. Trading game, I'm gonna give you a spot in the duck race. Let's see. Miss K, I'm gonna give you a spot in the duck race. And Manuel, I'm gonna give you a spot in the duck race. All right, let's see. All right. Good night, pot out there. Let's see who's got what it takes to win. Who best trained their ducks last night and since the last stream? So let's see. We're gonna do the 1 minute duck sprint. Again, if you win and you're not on the email list or your email is not confirmed, too sad, too bad, too sad, you will forfeit. All right, on your marks, get set, beep, let's go. Who's got the fastest one out there? Let's see. Who's it gonna be? If you guys haven't yet, it's a great time to smash that like button. Oh, J Love, you're in the lead. That's probably not going to be good for you. Oh boy. What number do you guys think is going to win? Manuel's hanging out in the back. Just chilling. Mr. Full Port's waiting to load up. Uh-oh. Mr. Full Port looks like Donald. Uh-oh. Trump has entered the race. I see his hair. Manuel wins. You should have been in there, boss. You should have been in there. Let's see. I know I called your name out. Hey, the boss, you got cheated. Look, I called your name out and you got cheated. So here's what I'm going to do. Hey, the boss, I'm going to give you a spot. I'm going to give you a spot in the duck race. My bad. So you're going to automatically get a spot, or not a spot in duck race. You're going to win. You're going to get an account as well. So my mistake, my bad. So I'm going to hook you up with an account as well. So hopefully that'll make up for it. You didn't even have to race. Let's see, is the winner. Yeah, Manuel's here. Yeah, Manuel's here. I seen him in the chat. Hey, Manuel, what's the first 3 letters of your email? First 3 letters of your email. Oh, dang it. What they're doing to prevent bots from entering? Dang it. Wild deuces. I was going to put you in the race too. I know I didn't call your name out. I jacked up. I messed up. So if you're on here, next giveaway, we'll make sure you get a spot. All right. M-E at. Should be an easy one to find. Ooh, that's not it. Oh yeah, it is. It is. Okay, I gotcha. Okay. Hey, Manuel, I'm gonna send you an email. Hey, Manuel, have you ever had a Take Profit Trader account? Woo! They're getting it. Yeah, I got you, Manuel. I found you. All right, perfect. This chirping, I can't keep I'm trying to focus on the email. I want to go look at the market. Apple, oh, hey Apple, what's up? Targets filled. Let's keep on ripping this bad boy. All right, let's see. Compose. Let's see. Bam. All right, hey Manuel, I just sent you an email. Big Mouth doesn't shut up all day. Watch Trump's bilateral meeting with France. Hey, hey, the boss, what's the first 3 letters of your email? Yeah, maybe next time you'll win, J Loves. Yeah, I have no control over who wins, unfortunately. SAR? All right, SAR. Hey, sorry for not putting you in the race. I do apologize. I mean, it worked out in your favor, but, you know, I don't like to make mistakes like that, but they do happen. I found you. All right. Copy. Hey, the boss, have you ever had a take profit trader account? If you haven't, then you want to make sure you are signed up to their email list, or you create an account. So. All right, I just sent you an email. The sooner you guys can send that over to me, the quicker I go ahead and start sending Take Profit Trader the information so we can get the accounts transferred over. And this is just like the worst type of trading day I hate these days. Now, hey, there's trade detector bubbles right here. Rapid. One there, one there, one there. So we have got some. How to make new session highs again. Oh, man. All right, man. I appreciate that. Sweet. I appreciate that. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, sweet. I already got manual stuff. Sweet. Hey, Rapid, I do appreciate everybody uses code Mike. I do appreciate it. It allows me to be able to reach out to the prop firms and get accounts to give away to you guys too. All right. So where's the other? Start. All right, Elijah's. Bam. I gotta get Peter's. So then this will be for the videos from last week as well. So, hey, the boss, I'm still waiting on your info. I have not received it yet. It's probably smart not to trade today. Today's not an easy. Well, for me, the way I like to trade, it's not an easy day. But for some people, it is. All right. There we go. Yeah, Lucid's good too. I like Lucid. Oh, hey, the boss. No worries. I'm just trying to get everybody to get their account. But while you're doing that, the boss, I'm going to take a moment. I'm going to go refill my drink. I'll be right back. So let me know if my assistant does anything that causes me to lose any money. Hopefully not. So just give me a moment. I'm going to refill my drink. I'll be right back. All right, please tell me my assistant did not short anything for me. I can hear the chirping. Chirp, chirp, chirp. All right, all good, all good, all good. All right, almost 900 points on the NASDAQ. Jeez. Yeah, I got free money floating around. That's a fact. That is a fact. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. No, hey, the boss, I don't have a Lucid account. I don't see the email that you said that they sent. I don't have any Lucid accounts right now. Hey, why can't they complete your registration? Wonder why that is. What if your country is one that's, hey, what country are you in? What country are you in? If you look, we got very close over here on the NASDAQ. 855, almost. $120 left to meet your target. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh man, you guys cracked me up. I'll give you a little time to get that one worked out. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and send the other ones. Let's see. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what was that? Look at that quick little spike down. Whoop, right back over. Doo-doo. All right, let me for the other three of you, I'm gonna go ahead and get this sent over. Let's see. Bam. London closed. That's a quick little boop, right down. You're trying to get me to short it again. Yeah, I did see when I was going through the email, Jesse sent us in a report card. Let's go see his report card. Oh boy, nice. Iran news. Iran foreign minister states they will approach negotiations and agreement implementation with distrust due to the past experience. Are they going to undo the whole move? They're just waiting for me to give up. I was going to take a look at Jesse's. Nice. Here's Jesse's report card for the day. Woo. About 1,300. He said all micros in the email he sent. Nice. Hey, Jesse, good job out there. Give it up. Give it up. Another day, another payout. I like it. Let me go see if I see that news on financial. Oh, yeah, I see it. Hey, that's about the time that news hit. About the time we got that little dip down. Let's see if we can get on down. A little bit late to the party here, but well, they say better late than never. We're going to find out if that's true. We had a bond yield? Oh, yeah, we did. Crap. I just saw that. Just saw the bond stuff. Come on, Joker. Come on, Joker. Just get down there. Please, please. Thank you. 30-minute 9 count. Oh, man, that's even better. Higher the time frame we get the 9 count on, the better. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Do it. Do it. Drop it. Please. Pretty please. Pretty pleased. Come on. I'll take it. I'll take it. At least that made up for what I lost, plus a little bit more in the piggy bank. So I'll gladly accept that. Now let's see if they start turning this regression channel back flat or down. It's not something that's just going to happen in a matter of a minute. It'll be more a process. 2 green arrows on the gamma chart. Let's go look at Coop. 2 green arrows. Let's go look at your 75.70. Jesse was talking about that too, and 75.50. Now let's go look at this SPX chart. Yeah, we're about 5 points away from the 70. Find an agreement that they're going to keep talking. I don't know. It says that, you know, all hostilities are going to end. The straits are going to open immediately, which I don't know how they're going to do that when they don't know where their mines are, they say. So, I think the VIX can start trying to come up here a little bit. We don't know what's in it yet. Senior U.S. official, U.S. has signed the MOU with Iran. Senior officials, Trump and Vance signed MOU, and so did the Iranian parliament speaker. But is he the one in control? Oh, man. Is he the one in control? Or is it the IRA? Oh, boy. Right back up. We got to get that 70, 75, 70 on the SPX. So we said about 5 points. So I put the ES around 76.41-ish. Hey, U.S. official, Hormuz opening takes time because of the mines. What was that? $80.47. Short term, we got overbought, but look, session highs right there. So I don't really trust it for a short. I don't trust it yet for a short. Now, if we would break the high, if we would have ran up here and broke the high, I probably would take a little scalp down. But I'll just simply wait. I'm sure it'll be higher here in a few moments. U.S. officials anticipate rise in Hormuz flow within 1 to 2 weeks. Agreement ensures prompt reopening of the Straits of Hormuz and removal of U.S. sanctions on Iran. So we're going to remove all the sanctions before we even talk in 60 days. I hope that's not the case. And they're like, nah, we don't want to come up with that nuclear deal, so we're good. We're good. But thanks for removing our sanctions. Cool, let's touch second deviation band now. I really want to get back to session highs, but this is not my market condition to really fight. Fear and greed index at 54. Oh, really? Hey, I got us at 41 on the fear and greed index. JD, how'd you get 54? Maybe on the crypto one, maybe? Maybe. U.S. officials trafficking straits to rise significantly starting immediately. Yeah, I need super greed. Let's see. No, hey, boss dog, I'm with you on that. I'm with you. I agree. I know we got a session high right above us. I may regret this one. Oh, it was old? Come on. Push it on down, please. Please. Closed it. Dog it. Dog it. All right, F it. All right, they don't want to pay my short. Let's see if they'll pay my long. 75.80 to 85. Oh boy. Oh boy. We can go up there and hit that session high without stopping me out. That will make up for that last trade plus a little bit more. One of my few long trades of the day. Decided to trade the market the hard way today. Yeah. I like it when we're squeezing up here. I don't like this quick little snapback. On the new contract, I have the all-time high up here at 31,090. So we could possibly hit it. Come on, keep on pushing. Push it. Push it. Make it or leave it. Oh boy. $33,000-ish, maybe. And think about what's going to derail the markets. I mean, unless Israel derails the negotiations. Or Hezbollah or somebody. Nvidia new highs. Hey, even the Russell's turned off the low a little bit. Yeah, they're going to get it cooking. I'm going to buy gold and chill. I just wanted to hit my target. Hurry up. Get it. Get it. This might be the last trade I do before lunch. Starts looking good. And it's like, you know, we got such a high up there. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. See, he has new session highs already. Hey, but what happens if any one side doesn't live up to the agreement? Then what happens? After this crazy day. The stock market will go up. Oil's hanging around $80.42. I got the NASDAQ up almost 3%, 2.97%. Come on, just go up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He got angry at me. He's like, you better watch how you're talking to me. All right, here we go. Here we goes. There we go. All right, not quite at session highs, but at least I'm up from where I was last night. Went green to red today. So at least I'm fortunate that I'm actually green at the moment. So with that being said, I'm out of here. I'm done fighting the markets for the time being, at least till after lunch. So I'm going to go get some lunch. I'm going to call it a day. We'll see how high this market just wants to keep on going. So, all right, guys, take care. Hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow.